Sweden assists impoverished women and children in Uganda. The Swedish government has contributed $18.7 million to the United Nations Children's Fund, or UNICEF, to be used to help the most undeserved mothers, children, and youth in Uganda through the agency's New Country Program 2021 to 2025. Working in collaboration with the Ugandan government, the 5-year initiative will provide quality health care along with better services in the areas of nutrition, water and hygiene, HIV, children's education, as well as protection against abuse and exploitation of youth. The financial contribution UNICEF received will also assist the government's mass COVID-19 vaccination rollout, the drive part of Uganda's plan to safely reopen schools. Sweden is a Shining World Leadership Award for Protection Laureate. Our gratitude, Sweden, for your generosity. Your partnership with UNICEF will help so many. May the people of Uganda be blessed with good fortune in divine peace and abundance.
Researchers warn Antarctica's glacier ice shelf could break away within few years. At the American Geophysical Union fall meeting, a team of scientists from the United States and the United Kingdom cautioned that due to a warming ocean, the Thwaites Eastern Ice Shelf, or TEIS, which supports 1/3 of the Thwaites Glacier, may completely disintegrate within 5 years. If TEIS fails, the colossal 192,000 square kilometer Thwaites Glacier would retreat rapidly, resulting in its meltwater contribution to sea level rise increasing from the current 4% to as much as 25%. Alarmingly, a total collapse of the Thwaites Glacier would raise the global sea level by over 0.6 meters, and if it draws neighboring glaciers with it, the sea level could rise by up to 3 meters, endangering millions of people living in coastal cities. Due to the catastrophic consequences if it were to collapse, the Thwaites Glacier is also known as the Doomsday Glacier. Many thanks for the important, concerning report, all scientists involved. To halt global warming, may humanity urgently embrace the planet-cooling vegan lifestyle in God's omniscience.
Plant foods consumption associated with less severe COVID. A recent study found that COVID-19 patients who were habitual consumers of plant-based foods had decreased symptoms of the disease. Researchers from the Department of Medical Sciences at the University of Guadalajara in Mexico looked at 236 patients who were suspected of having COVID-19, of which 103 had tested positive. In examining their diets, the researchers found that the COVID-positive individuals with a high habitual intake of legumes, grains, bread, and cereals showed decreased symptom severity. The paper's lead author, Professor Eliud Salazar-Robles, affirmed the key role played by our dietary choices, stating, "This study is only a start and the sample size is relatively small. However, even such a study shows how important the effect of diet can be. Our sincere appreciation, Professor Salazar-Robles and colleagues. May humans everywhere enjoy the healthfulness and vitality of the vegan diet in the grace of the Providence."
Moroccan startup looks to expand production of bricks from coffee grounds. Clayco has been producing bricks and decorative tiles by mixing clay with coffee grounds to form a well-insulated material that can be used for building and other purposes. The manufacturing process uses less clay than in traditional brickmaking, and because of its thermal properties, reduced heating is needed in buildings made of the innovative bricks. Since June 2021, the company produced at least 400 bricks and is seeking €19,200 in funds to scale up so it can process 100 metric tons of the coffee waste per year. The company was recently featured in an article by the United Nations. Way to go, Clayco, on your excellent idea to turn coffee grounds into a usable resource while saving clay in the process. In Allah's uplifting care, may we always think about the impact we have on our planet through our daily lives as we consider what actions we can take to minimize our environmental footprint.
Community members rescue herd of horse people stranded in flood waters. when a flood occurred in the Lower Nicola region of British Columbia, Canada in November 2021, 29 horse people were stranded on a farm in chest-deep, fast-flowing water for over 12 hours overnight. Caregivers Connie Joy and Jerry Macaulay reached out to their friends, family, and community members for help and were amazed at the support they received. Former strangers Henry Chilihitzia, Tyson Van Dien, and Phil Dumont jumped into a motorboat to try and direct the horse people to safety. Others assisted by riding on horseback or in tractors. After 4 hours, the team was able to convince all the horse people to swim to safety, and fortunately, all equine people seemed fine after the ordeal. Our heartfelt salute Henry Chilihitzia, Tyson Van Dien, Phil Dumont, and all involved in rescuing the people of the noble horse kingdom. May we always lend a helping hand to our animal people friends in heaven's benevolent gaze.
Travel company offers lodging options for vegans. Fetch Visits is the name of a website that is being lauded as the Airbnb for vegan and vegetarian travelers. The platform, which was founded in 2016 by longtime vegans Lindsay and Nicholas Minella of the United States, facilitates hosts from around the globe to offer meat-free accommodations to those who are vegan or vegetarian. The founders were motivated to develop their vision after leaving their jobs in the financial sector and traveling around the world. They realized they felt more comfortable staying with people who shared the sense of peace of the veg atmosphere. Fetch Visits also provides an opportunity for locals to share their knowledge of their veg-friendly area. Wow, what a winning way to travel! Our appreciation, Fetch Visits and hosts, for making it easier to enjoy plant-based living while on the go. May worldwide citizens soon realize that eating people from the animal kingdom is not kind in celestial upliftment.
City of Lyon, France bans foie gras. Lyon has become the third city in France to ban fatty liver following the example of the cities of Strasbourg and Grenoble. Thanks to the decision, the dish will no longer be served at official municipal dinners, ceremonies, or receptions. In making the announcement, the mayor of Lyon, the Honorable Gregory Doucet, described foie gras production, which involves the force feeding of geese and ducks, as going completely against animal person well-being. Its production has been banned in 18 countries, and the European Parliament has also voted to end the barbaric practice, a first step to prohibiting it, while November 25th has been designated as World Anti-Foie Gras Day. 3 cheers, Lyon and all governments and people that are choosing compassion. May humans everywhere develop sensitivity in favor of the welfare of our animal people friends in God's benevolence.